Good morning, boys and girls. This is the page that goes along with our reading books for this week, and it has 3 color words that we are going to use to finish the sentence. So I pulled my page up on the computer because your page is black and white, which makes it hard for you to know what color word you need. So that's not even the most important thing. The most important thing is just that we're practicing those words. But mine is in color so that you can see what color the pictures are actually supposed to be. There's a spot for your name at the top. Then your color words are in the blue box. You're going to need your pencil to finish writing your sentences. The color words are, and you can read them, purple, red, brown. So we're going to look at each sentence and decide what color word you need to write there. And I'm going to go over them with you, but I'm not going to write them because you're going to do that, and I will check them when you bring them back to school. Number 1, there's your picture clue. I see a wagon. What color is it? Red. So number 1 says, look at the red wagon. So you're going to write the word red, R-E-D. Number 2, there's your picture clue. What color are those mittens? Yes, purple. That's a long word, so you're going to need to write a little bit smaller. The sentence says, I have a pair of purple mittens. So you're going to write the word purple. P-U-R-P-L-E. Make sure that those P's sit on the line and the tail goes down and hangs underneath. Make sure your lowercase l is tall. Your last sentence, look at your picture clue. What color is the coat? Brown. And the sentence says, it is a brown coat. B-R-O-W-N. Make sure that stick on your B is tall. Of course, boys and girls, even though I'm spelling them, you can always go back up and look in the box if you need help spelling the word. So number 1 should say, look at the red wagon. Number 2 should say, I have a pair of purple mittens. Number 3 should say, it is a brown coat. And then for number 4, they want you to use a color word in a sentence. So your sentence can be anything you choose. You might say, I have a green shirt. I have black shoes. But you want to write a sentence using a color word. So it can be a color word that is up there in that box if you want to use that, or you can use a different color word. But write a sentence using a color word, and I will check it when you bring it back into school. Also, you can send me a picture of your page after you get finished. So number 4, it is your choice. Make sure you start with an uppercase letter. Leave spaces between your words. It's going to be a telling sentence, so you need a period at the end. And make sure you use a color word in your sentence. I can't wait to see what you write. Send me a picture of it. Boys and girls, let me know if you need any help. Miss you guys. I'll see you soon.